Clip coupons, unpacking the savings. Hello, everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to demystify a common English phrase, clip coupons. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how it's used in everyday conversation. So, let's save some knowledge just like we save pennies. When we say clip coupons, we're talking about the act of cutting out coupons, typically from newspapers or magazines, in order to save money on purchases. Coupons are pieces of paper that offer a discount. The term can also be used metaphorically to mean being frugal or looking for savings in various aspects of life. The tradition of coupon clipping has been around since the late 19th century. It started as a way for companies to promote new products and encourage customers to try them by offering a discounted price. This practice has evolved, but the term clip coupons remains part of our everyday language. To make the most out of coupons, you need to organize them according to the products and their expiration dates. Keep an eye out for sales where you can stack coupons on top of discounted prices for even more savings. Remember, the goal is to reduce the cost of items you already need and were planning to buy. In our digital era, clip coupons can also mean using digital or electronic coupons. These can be found online or through apps and can be presented at the checkout on your mobile device. It's the modern twist on an old practice, making saving easier and more accessible. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the phrase, clip coupons. Whether you're literally cutting out coupons or just being savvy with your online shopping, remember that every little bit saved can add up. Happy saving, and see you in the next video.